Hi everyone, welcome back again. In this video, we'll see about a small introduction to noun, verb and adjectives. First of all, you can ask the children to look around the place where they are and request them to give the names of the objects around them. If they are in the hall, they come out with the names like TV, chair, sofa, with all those names. You can introduce the noun is said to be a naming word. It names a person, place, thing or an idea or animals. Here I have given one example. Of course, all kids know about the fishes and the ocean creatures. Here I have drawn the picture of a whale. This is a name of an animal. It is said to be a noun. A naming word is said to be a noun. So here I have just named the word. So next image, what I'm in this image, you can ask the children to make out the difference between the first image and the second image. In the first image, the child can only tell it is a whale. In the second image, they can correlate with the water and the whale and come out with the word swim or swimming. The whale is swimming. So here the noun is doing some action. So you can introduce the term called as a verb, which is an action word. All the things you can do with your body like jump, hop, run, smell, swim, they are said to be an action word, verb. Here the whale is a swimming, which is said to be an action word. So the body of an object which can do like jumping, hopping, running, smelling and swimming is said to be an action word. In the third image, you can see out and ask the children to compare the first with the first two images. In the first image, they come out only with the word, it's a whale. In the second image, they can come out with the two words, the whale, swim. And in the third image, you can ask the child what is the color of the whale. They will tell that it is a blue whale. They are describing how the whale is. It is blue color. If the size also, if it is larger in size, you can tell them is a big whale or short. So when we are going to compare or describe or give more information about the noun, here in the first image show the child told it is a whale. It's a noun. Now they are coming out with the another word. How the noun looks like is giving more information about the noun, that is the blue whale. Here blue is said to be the adjectives, that is they are giving more information about the noun is said to be the adjective, or otherwise we call them as a describing about a noun or more information about the noun. Let us frame a sentence to make it much easier to understand. The blue whale is swimming. So they first gave from the image the whale, and from the second image the swimming, and from the third image they came out with the answer, it is a blue whale. So when you frame a sentence, the blue whale is swimming, here the whale is said to be the noun. It is naming an animal. It is a naming word now. And what the noun is doing? The noun is swimming. The swimming is an action word, is said to be the verb. So we can help the child. So here what action the animal is doing? The animal is swimming. So it is action word said to be the verb. Now, which whale is swimming? Which whale is swimming? So it is a big whale. How I'm going to point out is a blue whale. I'm giving more information about the noun. That is, I'm talking about the particular blue whale. Then it is said to be the adjective. So describing more about the noun. So once again, I will repeat what is a So once again, I'm repeating the noun is a naming word and verb is said to be action word, and adjectives is said to be a describing about a noun. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you find this video more useful, please share, and if you want any of the specific videos, you can leave your comment on the comment section. Thanks for now.